Hey, what's up YouTube world? It's Ryan from Riding in Style. And today I'm just showing you some of the vinyl decals that I have that I'm going to be putting onto the charger, or that's the plan. And I just chose to go with the vinyl route just because there's it's easier to clean and it gives me that uniform look. This is the gloss black just for the side pillars on the doors, as well as the little side panels here. Again, to go with the gloss black gloss black roof that came with the car. And this is just some dress up for the half covers. And then I decided to put these back on like I had on my other charger, just a vinyl wrap for the strut, the thing that holds the hood up, versus buying the actual cover for it. So just showing you a couple of I guess upgrades. And now I'll just put it on the car. There she is. You see how she just stands out? I mean, I'm just proud of this car, guys. I don't know. It's like I never really get tired of looking at it. That color. I'm trying to give you an accurate depiction in the sun, but that's... Boy, that sunshine. This is my dream car, guys. I mean, what you're seeing here is just me appreciating the moment, having one of those pinch myself to make sure this is real moments, but it comes from time to time. And I just want to say, you know, to everyone that you can achieve your dreams. Dreams do come true, and this is living proof. There's nothing really special about me or my life other than, you know, just hard work and some dedication and having a dream and a goal and reaching it. That's all I wanted to say. But going on today's video with the gloss black roof here, I'm just going to be putting the gloss black decals right there, which should go along with the vent visors, and hopefully that's the plan. I'm just hoping it doesn't offset it in a negative way, but and then we'll go under the hood as well. Thanks to my Lux tint, I have some of this prep spray left over for vinyl. So I'm going to just attempt to apply some here prior to putting it on. And that's just an idea of what the before looks like. Alright, so this is the finished product. There are a few little bubbles in there, and I will say I give anyone who works with vinyl a huge prop for your patience to getting the vinyl stretched out nice and tight on your installs. But this was definitely a work in progress. I was able to use my Lux prep spray as well as the squeegee, and give a huge shout out to buddy right here. Want to introduce yourself?
Jaden.
All right, thanks to him and his expertise, he actually made this process here very painless. Yeah, actually you don't realize how important it is to have that extra set of hands to hold the vinyl down while flattening it out with the squeegee. So this is the finished product here. I'm going to zoom in and take you up to the gloss black roof decal here. So hopefully it's all coming together. So I was going to do the strut part here, but unfortunately I was sent the wrong color. See, this is the red line red. I needed the octane red, and you probably won't be able to see it very well, but maybe you can see it right there, how the red just clashes. It actually brings out the, well, not even, it's a different red from the Brembo brake calipers, but truthfully, it's not going to look good when the hood is open. Two different reds, it doesn't look good. So I'm gonna have to reorder these and just wait for them to come in. You know, we got to do it right. Don't just settle. It's like measure twice, cut once, do it right the first time. You all remember what I had to do when I was waiting for the correct decals to come in. And I'll just be completely honest, it was actually worth the wait now that it's exactly the way that I wanted it to be. So don't settle, guys. Do it right. Get what you want. And now the last bit of decals that I had to put on is for the engine half covers here. So, I mean, I think they look pretty good as is, being that this color blends in with the supercharger cover. But the decals I have would just give it like an all-out, a blacked out look. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take the engine half covers off and then put the decals on in my room. Alright guys, tell me, what do you think? I stopped here because I saw this and I said, you know what? I kind of like the way this looks. I mean, I have the rest of the decals here to basically just black this all out. But leave a comment below and let me know if you folks think this is kind of a nice stopping point for the, I mean, I have to straighten out some of these letters just to get it. It's not an exact fit, but it's pretty close. But I don't know, like there's a part of me that kind of likes the way this looks right here. So tell me what you think. Should I keep it here, or do you think I should just go through with the entire blackout? Essentially, this is going to go right over and cover anything silver. So this would just be all black. Anyway, I am open to your comments and suggestions. And I appreciate you folks taking the time to watch this video. This is Ryan from Riding in Style.
Like and subscribe to my daddy's channel and make sure to hit the notification bell up there. Bye, YouTube.
Bye.
You